Hello friends! Thank you for watching Crane Watch Origami Lesson. こんにちは、鶴見折り紙教室へようこそ。March 3rd is Hina Matsuri, the girls' day in Japan. I'll teach you how to make Origami Hina Ningyō. Hina Ningyō are the traditional decorations of Hina Matsuri. Let's make them together. We're gonna start from Mebina, the female part. So pick up one origami paper. Keep the white side up. Pick up one corner. Any corner is fine. But pick one. Match the corner. And the other side together. And make a triangle. Open the paper. Now find the center line right here. And pick up one edge. Any edge is fine. Match the edge on the center line. And be careful with the corners right here and so as here. So you have to watch two corners and this edge on the wrinkle together. And crease the edge. Now we are going to do exactly same thing on the other side. And make a shape of an ice cream cone or kite. Well done. After this, fold this white triangle toward you and make a shape of an upside down triangle. And of course use this line between these two corners as a turning point and fold the corner and triangle. After the upside down triangle, this time I want you to use this corner as the turning point and fold this sharp corner on the bottom to the other side. And make a shape like this. This time, I want you to let these two corners cross on the center line. And when you fold it, I want you to keep a little distance from this line right here. And also start from the corner right here. Keep the space right here. Keep the space right here. And crease the edge right here. And do the same thing on the other side. So start from this corner. And also keep a distance right here. Just a little bit. Crease the edge. When you're done, I want you to fold this sharp corner on the top to the other side as a mountain fold. Then I want you to crease this bottom part, fold this bottom part to the other side like this. And use these two corners as the turning point. And let this bottom part you've just folded stand up. And now we just made the mebina. Now keep the mebina on the side. This time we are going to make obina. And the instructions of obina is very similar. So keep the white side up, make a triangle, open the paper, and match these two edges on the center line and make a shape of an ice cream cone. And after the ice cream cone, fold this white triangle toward you. And then use this corner as a turning point. And fold this bottom sharp corner to the other side. And we are going to let these two corners cross on the center. But for the obina, make these shoulder parts a little wider. And crease the edge. And so as the other side. And remember, we always have to keep this part a little farther from the line right here. Now when you're done, we are going to fold this bottom part using mountain fold between these two corners like this. And we are going to make the eboshi right here, which is the obina's hat. So fold this sharp corner toward you first and fold it back. Alright, and let the mebina and obina sit up like this. Okay. And ta-da! We just made the Hina Ningyō. Thank you for watching. If you like this origami instructions, please like it and subscribe this channel. またね